Welcome to Cook and Bake Academy. Myself, Chef Nitin Pal Singh, and today I am going to prepare vegetable sweet corn soup. So now here's the ingredient list. So let's start making our vegetarian sweet corn soup. I'll heat the wok at the medium flame. Just a small amount of oil, just half a spoon, that's it. Swirl it a bit. Put in some chopped garlic, just pinch of it. Bit of ginger and mix. As soon as it starts getting its color, I'll add the sweet corn puree. You can make the puree by adding a little bit of water with the corn kernels and blend it blender. As you can see, there's a color in there. I'll add the sweet corn. Add a bit of water into it. Add the kernels. Chopped carrot, chopped cabbage, mix. We'll now add the seasoning, some salt, white pepper powder, MSG, and mix. Once you mix it, you will check for the seasoning and then you'll thicken it a bit because the puree is made of corn. It's already quite thick. So you need just a little bit of corn flour slurry to give it a desired consistency. We'll garnish with spring onion chop and serve it piping hot. This is a very easy and a simple soup preparation. Doesn't require much cutting, chopping also, and it's healthy, wholesome kind of a meal. As you can see, the bubbles are coming up now. Just mix the corn flour and water together to form a slurry and add a bit of it. That's it. And now we will dish out in a bowl. Put off the flame and garnish with spring onion chop. And here's your sweet corn soup with vegetables garnished with spring onion. Enjoy. Thank you.